Hello my friends. Hello my friends. Welcome back. It's me. Oh man, good to see you all again. All the amazing friends, all the amazing people. It's good to see you all. So here I am in a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road package. So come with the 4.0 V6 6-speed automatic transmission 4x4 system, making 278 horsepower and 265 foot-pound of torque. 278 horsepower, 265 foot-pound of torque. Very good acceleration for the newer 4.0 V6 Toyota. So it's very familiar when getting to this Tacoma. Like last time I was in a 2008 and this is 2017. I mean, it's like almost 10 years apart. But the setup is pretty similar. The interior general outlay or display is very similar. We have on the door panel, we have the door power window control switch, door lock switch, and the mirror control switch over here. And down here we have some newer stuff, like this one come with the rear sliding windows, come with the AC outlet, and the door or the cargo trunk light. And then in this over here we have the steering wheel that it looks nice and firm, it's big, like good ripping in the hands. That's good. And familiar stuff, audio control system, voice command on the newer car for convenient, and phone connection. And then on this side we have the information control over here with the menu, drop down menu that you can see in the middle screen. LCD displays in the center of the gate cluster. Very familiar. And then we have the RPM gauge, speedometer gauge over here. And on this side, under the RPM gauge, we have the temperature gauge. And over here in the speedometer gauge, we got the fuel gauge. It's familiar. Got nice acceleration. The exhaust sounds, easy to the ear. Braking is good. It's very strong compared to the 2008. That's a huge improvement. So less effort on the brake to slow down the vehicle. That's good. Now and then we have under the steering wheel we have the cruise control. Same, familiar. And over here we have the displays, multi-displays for the audio, the apps information. You get a home, so that you can set up and like menus in there. And then down here we have, oh, this one is a newer one, so it's come with the push start engine. That's more newer technology. It's better, right? And we have the 4x4 system switch over here, and then AC control panels. It's very similar, familiar looking that we can find throughout the Tacoma, like 2008 and up. Then over here we have the, you know, the shifter. Very nice shifter over here. And we have the traditional handbrake. Still, you know, love these OD like manual handbrake. Something that we don't really see on a newer car, which add more fun to this car. You know, we can control it with the handbrake to do some, you know, fun stuff there. I'm not saying that I'm gonna do it, but yep, they'll add some fun with these manual traditional handbrake. And it is a mechanical handbrake or parking brake, so you don't have to worry about all that electronic stuff, electrical motor that may go out in the future. Very nice exhaust sound, good power thanks to the, you know, 4.0 V6. Acceleration is very smooth, no complaint on that one. This one is I believe it's a premium package, so it's come with the navigation over here. You got the audio, we got XM, AM, normal like AM, XM, I mean AM and FM. Then this one come with the XM also, so that's the another premium feature that has been added to this goody Tacoma. Well, let's go check out this goody 2017 Toyota Tacoma. So this one is a little you know, stand out. It has the quicksand exterior colors. It looks like tan color, but it's called a quicksand, so it looks amazing. It looks gorgeous in these colors right here. Got a TRD 4x4 off-road. Got a Tacoma in the back here with V6 towing package. Looking good though. I like the front end. It's like with the chromey reel. It looks like stand out. It looks amazing. Looks beautiful though. Let's checking out the interior. Now it has the cloth seat. Check it out, the space. I mean, yeah, it's pretty similar to the 2008. You know, there's the room. You know, the space for the rear passenger is decent enough. The roof is tall enough too. It's got a reasonable amount of space, and the seat has a good amount of pad. You know, so it's looking good, comfy. Oh, forgot to show you guys the bed. It has a 5-foot bed. Looking good. You got Toyota and backup camera there. Now we had your towing electrical connector, and the door. Okay, so with the rear door open very wide, it's almost like 90 degrees, so it's make it easier to get in and out, and hauling stuff in the back there. Alright, let's show you under the hood, see if it's familiar with the older one. Yep, so under the hood here we have the 4.0 D4S V6 Toyota, so we know that there's some goodie, reliable, and will last you a long time. Toyota been known for that. They're reliable, so that's a good thing. Then come back to the driver's seat. Welcome back to the driver's seat. The seat pad for the driver is decent, good amount of pad, so it's gonna be comfortable. Alright, so let's continue on our journey. I love that engine, like streaming at higher RPM. It's just like music to the ear. So yeah, this is very nice looking truck with the unique looking color, quicksand. There's not many of them that we see on the street, so it's gonna be standout. If you're in the market looking for a used truck or something, this is one of them. You know, 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 off-road package. Gotta check it out. The ride is so comfortable though. Very nice Toyota. It's a huge, I mean, Tacoma has been like, their ride quality is very comfort, and the suspension is flawlessly like working so well, taking bumps through the dips. Very nice, and the acceleration is very smooth. Even though I'm just like easy driving, the power is there, it's ready to go. AC is freezing cold right now, so I'm gonna turn it down a little. Don't wanna freeze up while I'm driving. Too cold. So yeah, very nice truck. I love it. I like it. I mean, if you don't need a bigger truck, you don't need to haul in a like heavy trailer or anything, you can look into this one. It's gonna be a good daily, comfy, and if you want to get a luxury one, you can upgrade it to like a premium package, I guess. So you get the leather seat and some more technology on a newer one, like adaptive cruise control or dynamic cruise control, lane keep assist, and braking collision warning system. All that's newer technology. But this one overall, it's a good truck, reliable. You know, Toyota, they're known for reliable, so you have a peace of mind on that one. So yep, thank you for coming with me. Thank you for checking this out. Got an amazing opportunity to look into these trucks. They are wonderful. Toyota Tacoma, comfy to drive. Just love it. Oh, add to that, you know, on the roof here, on the roof console there, you have the adjust the control for different driving condition, for mountain, crawling, and that, and then you can lock the rear differential and traction control up there, right with the roof console. That's very neat. And then the center console have some pad, you know. It's not too thick, but it's comfortable enough to rest your elbows on it. Same thing on the door. It's a stiff leather, like not real leather, but stiff, like synthetic leather or something like that. It's decent. All right, it was amazing. I like it a lot. So please leave it in the comments. What do you think? You like it? Is it a good truck to when you get into a used market? So alright, thank you for coming. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.